Hey guys, are you wanting to buy best motion-activated sprinklers? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best motion-activated sprinklers that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Started at number 5, Diffu Repellent Water Sprinkler Spray. If you are looking for a reliable and affordable brand choice, you can also go with Diffu, as it also offers a wide variety of repellent water sprinkler options on the market. One of the most unique facts about this sprinkler option is that it comes with an inbuilt solar panel that charges its inbuilt battery. So, there's no need to install any additional batteries in this sprinkler unit to make it work. Apart from that, the battery lasts for a fairly long time, so it can definitely provide 24-hour protection to your garden. On the other hand, the sensor on this unit is good enough to detect any motion in the range of 0-30 feet with 120-degree coverage. Hence, one sprinkler can simply cover a 1000 sq area very easily. In addition, the sprinkler is highly sturdy, as it's built from top-grade ABS material and also comes with an extension pipe that will help you increase its height during the installation. Now number 4, Hoont H928 Motion Rodent Repellent. It is known to be one of the most efficient and water-saving sprinkler options in the market, as it uses a 5-second intermittent spray cycle that results in repelling the animals with minimal water usage. Apart from that, you can easily install this motion sprinkler in your backyard, as it is designed to offer 1000 sq forward coverage with its sprinkler. If we talk about its specifications, the detection range of this sprinkler is about 30 feet, which is pretty decent. Moreover, the sensor on this unit is advanced enough to detect motion at a 120-degree wide angle, which is quite good. In all, it will keep your kitchen garden safe from intruder animals and will work 24/7 without any issues. However, you will still need to install 4 AA batteries in this sprinkler, as Hoont doesn't provide any along with the package. Our third product is Havahart 5277 Motion-Activated Animal Repellent and Sprinkler. The Havahart 5277 Motion-Activated Animal Repellent and Sprinkler, which is quite a well-known product and is highly appreciated for its good build quality. One of the reasons why this motion-activated sprinkler is so popular in the market is its competitive pricing, which attracts a lot of customers. Not just that, it's actually very effective, as it repels nuisance animals by detecting their heat signatures and movement, thanks to the accurate and powerful infrared sensor built in. Apart from that, if you have a big lawn backyard, it's a good option to pick, as it can detect motion up to 100 feet and spray water in the range of 35 feet, which is way better than the competition. Apart from that, the setup of this sprinkler is super easy, and it also comes with multiple spray settings that you can choose as per your choice. Moreover, there will be no unnecessary water wastage with this sprinkler, as it only uses about 2 cups of water per spray. Now our second product is Hoont Cobra Cab Repellent Outdoor. This sprinkler is designed to provide protection to your kitchen garden 24/7, as it is fully adjustable and offers a protection in the range of 0-30 feet area. Moreover, the jet system on this sprinkler throws small showers of water in a 5-second spray cycle that effectively keeps the animals away without wasting much water. In fact, thanks to the adjustable sprinkler head, you can almost cover an area of about 1000 sq forward with this sprinkler, so it's ideal for most homes. One of the best parts about this sprinkler is that it only takes 2 AA batteries and comes with a powerful 120-degree PIR sensor that efficiently senses motion and keeps your garden safe. Apart from that, it's easy to install, as it comes with a metal spike, but in case you want to increase its height, an optional extension pipe is also provided in the package, which is good. And now our last choice is Orbit 62100 Yard Enforcer Motion. Speaking of the Orbit 62100 Yard Enforcer Motion Activated Sprinkler, it comes with separate day and night only modes, along with 24-hour protection, so that you can use it flexibly as required. In addition, the sprinkler comes with an intelligent sensing technology that can effectively sense the difference between trees and animals, so there will be no water wastage due to false activations. Talking about its design, this water sprinkler can deliver water sprays in a partial section, or can also provide a full 360-degree coverage as well. Moreover, It uses a simple spike design, which makes the installation process a lot easier for all the users. In fact, this motion-activated sprinkler functions using just 4 AA alkaline batteries and offers about 7,500 activation cycles. Moreover, with the brass hose connection and 120-degree sensor, it offers a 40 feet impact sprinkler to keep away the animals. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.